Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Slack's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the easiest and quickest way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to pissconsumer.com. So go ahead and click into that site. And now once you're here, you want to click on the search icon, top right hand corner of the page, and then type in Slack where it says search. And then hover over Slack here. Click in the Slack, scroll down, and then we've got reviews, Q&A, and contacts. Go ahead and click on contacts. An ad might appear, so just click out of the ad. And now scroll down, and as you can see, there's a toll-free number. You can give them a call, or you can click the button here, so call customer service. Or if you would like to send them a message, go ahead and click on send message. And there's another customer service number below if this one doesn't work for whatever reason.